In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Parrot AI. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to tryparrotai.com and you should be able to see near this. Parrot AI helps you create funny videos with your favorite celebrities with those realistic sounding AI voices. You can get AI avatar say anything you type and make your friends laugh. So in order to use this, you just need to first get started. Input right here the email that you wish to use and click on this get started option. Now, from that case, you can just pick any voice that you wish to use, type what you want them to say, and then download the videos and make your friends laugh with what you have generated using this Parrot AI. As you can see, this is actually the number one AI voice generator and video user. And as you can see, you can create a video of several people right here, send this to friends. And as you can see, this have a lot of celebs that you can use for this case. You can use this tool perfect for every occasion. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.